Hello dear students, good day. Today we are going to do a question that is, please repeat it.
A line makes alpha, beta, gamma and delta with the diagonals of a cube. Prove that cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma plus cos square delta is equal to 4 upon 3.
So we need to keep in mind a line is there inside the cube and that is making different angles with the diagonal. So first of all we need to make the cube, and we know that cube is a three-sided figure. We are keeping one of its vertex at the origin. So its coordinates will be 0, 0, 0. Now it is cube, so a coordinate it lies on the x-axis, so it will be small a 0 0. That means we have supposed cube is of side a. On z-axis it will be 0 0 a. On y-axis it will be 0 a 0. Now b lies on xy plane, so z coordinate will be 0. It will be a 0. D lies on YZ plane, so X will be 0, 0, A. F lies on XZ plane, so Y will be zeros, A, 0, A. And it is not lying on any of the three planes, so it will be A. Now we are going to find the direction cosines of the different diagonals. So diagonals are, first of all we need to think about the diagonal. So first diagonal will be OG. Next diagonal will be, when we are taking B, then it will be E. Then will be CF, and last will be DA or AD. DRs of these diagonals. So first diagonal OG means G minus O, that is A. Now diagonals of BE. So minus A. CF. So it will be A minus A. Last DA. So it will be A minus 0, A, 0 minus A, minus A, 0 minus A, minus A. These are the direction ratios of the four diagonals. We need to find the direction cosines of these four diagonals. So DCs will be its direction cosines will be A upon under root A square plus A square plus A square. So that will be 1 upon, let me calculate, A upon under root A square plus A square plus A square, that is A upon root 3A. So it will be 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3. These are the direction cosines of OG. Same ways, BE direction cosines will be minus 1 by root 3, minus 1 by root 3, and then 1 by root 3. CF 1 by root 3, minus 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3. Last is 1 by root 3, minus 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3, again negative, sorry. So these are the four. Now we are supposing a line in this plane, this is making an angle alpha with one of the diagonal, with another diagonal it is making beta, gamma, delta. So let line L has direction cosines S, L, M, N. Now with first diagonal it is making angle cos alpha. So cos alpha will be L1 L2 plus N1 N2 plus N1 N2. L1 N2 means L upon root 3 plus M upon root 3 plus N upon root 3. Cos beta will become L upon root 3, first one, this one is minus 1 upon L upon root 3 minus M upon root 3 plus N upon root 3. Cos gamma L upon root 3 minus M upon root 3 plus N upon root 3. Last, cos delta plus minus minus means L upon root 3 minus M upon root 3 minus N upon root 3. So this is the value of cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma, cos delta. Now whatever we need to prove, we need to put these values into the required thing. So let us put. Yes, beta. Now we need to prove cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma plus cos square delta as 4 by 3. So let us put the values of cos square alpha. So cos alpha was L by root 3 plus M upon root 3 plus N upon root 3 to whole square plus cos beta is
minus L upon root 3
just minus you say
plus
right? Now see, 1 by root 3 is in all. I am taking common. That will make calculation little easy. So 1 by 3 is coming out. Now L plus M plus N2 whole square. Whole square will become L square plus M square plus N square plus 2LM plus 2MN plus 2NL. Now this plus L square plus M square plus N square plus 2LM minus 2LN minus 2MN. Now this plus L square plus M square plus N square minus 2LM minus 2NM plus 2NL. Last plus L square plus M square plus N square minus 2LM minus 2LN plus 2MN. Now we know that L square plus M square plus N square is 1. So it will become 1, it will become 1, it will become 1, it will become 1. And rest all the terms will get cancelled. So these all the terms got cancelled. So it will become 1 by 3 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, that would be written as 4 by 3. So it will be the final solution for the above given question. Question is good, not for the examination point of view. Rarely we have seen in the examination this question.